read the first question with that answer.
My father dash a taxi driver.
Am, is, are. You have to use one of those.
So my father is a taxi driver.
Please write it down. Everyone write it down quickly. Quickly. Some questions are going to be tough. Not everything is easy, but my father is a taxi driver. Okay. Write it down. Kudal, write this down. My father is a taxi. Write it down. Number one. You put number one and write it down, everyone. Neha. So now Jayana is going to answer the number two. Number two. Jayana, you want to do
Sir?
it? You want to do the second?
Yes, I'll do.
Go for it.
It dash cool in spring.
Write it down.
It is cool in spring.
It is cool in spring. You don't want to say is. It is. She has correctly pronounced. Jayana. It is cool in spring. Very good. My father is a taxi driver. It is cool in spring. Please write it down. It is cool in spring. The first five will go with Jayana, okay? The first
Yes,
five.
sir.
The third one, Mr. Go for it.
Mr. B dash our English teacher. Mr. B is our English teacher.
Super. Mr. Beak is our English teacher. Please write it down. You guys have to write it down. 1, 2, 3. You have to put that number because you have to cut an audio and send it across to me. You have to.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Mr. Beak is our English teacher. Yeah. Write it down. I'm giving enough time to write it down. Write it down.
Fourth question. It dash a cute cat. It is a cute cat.
Super. It is a cute cat.
Fifth question.
Yes.
We dash good friends. We are good friends.
Very nice. Very nice, Jayana. What Jayana is going to do right now is she's going to read out all the 5 questions with only the answer, with the answers, right? You don't want to say twice, you want to say only once. 5 sentences, you just read it out with the answer in mind. My father. Okay, Jayana, are you there? Read those 5 sentences with the answers in it.
That's right.
You can look at it and read it. No problem. But you have to
Yes, sir. I read it.
Yeah. Can you read it out so that everyone, all the 5 questions with the answers in mind, read the 5 sentences, full sentences. I hope you get it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go for it. My father.
My father is a taxi driver. It is cool in spring. Mr. V is our English teacher. It is a cute cat. We are good friends.
Super. Super. Very good. Very good. Good job. We hope all the 5 have been written by you. Vibisha is going to do from 6 to 10, but hope everyone has completed all the 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Vibisha. Did you write it down? Vibisha, did you write down all the 5?
I not until 5, sir.
Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Go for it.
Yes, sir. David dash our family doctor. David is our family doctor. She dash your music teacher. She is your music teacher. They dash dash at school today. They are at school today. The kids dash in USA now. The kids are in USA now. This dash my new car. This is my new car.
Super. So that's
grandpa-
one. No, this is fine. Now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You simply read the sentences with the answers without repeating it only once. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
David is a family doctor. He is your music teacher. They are at school today. The kids are in USA now. This is my new car.
Very nice. Now you take few seconds, write it down, everyone, all the like 6 to 10. I'll give you few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes, so that you can complete it. Jaita, are you able to complete this? So Jaita will do the next 5, but after some time, because I'll give them some time. Vibisha has to write because she was talking all the time, so she has to write it and quickly, because you have to cut an audio and send it across to me, everyone, so that I know that you are able to read it properly. You are pronouncing it properly. It's not a simple exercise just for the filling of the gaps. No, it is for reading, writing, listening, and speaking.
I completed writing, sir.
Sure. You completed till 10, isn't it? Till 10.
Yes, sir. I completed.
This, yeah, very nice. This is my new car. Look at that. This is my new car. The kids, the plural, the kids are in USA now. They, look at it. They are at school today.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. She is your music teacher. Look at that. Then David is our family doctor. Before we go to Jaita, I want to do this with the Samsrita. Samsrita 11 to 15. Jaita, you will have your turn, okay? You are going to have your turn. We are going to have a lot of questions today. Samsrita, can you do 11? Can you read?
Sir, what are you doing now, sir?
Yes. If you observe, you are going to get it. You are going to fill it with the and, is, are. One of those words. And, are. Okay. Some audio, look at that. You can.
Sir, which question I should do, sir?
11. Do 11. Or you want some more time? If you want some more time, I'll give you, because you can come later in the order also. It's not a big deal. Okay. So that you can observe more. Jaita, go with 11.
Sir,
11, go with 11. Samsrita, next is your turn. Right now, Jaita, go with it. Jaita.
my grandparents are old.
Super. My grandparents, since it is a plural, are old. Everyone listen. My grandparents are old. Next.
I and Ben are sick. I and Ben are sick.
I and Ben. Super. Because I is one person, Ben is another person. There are two persons. I and Ben are sick. Very good. Jaida, number 13.
That dash my villa. That is my villa.
That is only one. Because it is one, it represents it. So that is my villa. Super. Jaida, keep going.
14th. You dash a bad pupil. You are a bad pupil.
You are bad people. You are. But Jaida is not a bad people. She's a very good people, right? She's not a bad people. Good. You are not a bad people. Very nice. Super. 15.
The apples dash red. The apples are red.
Beautiful. Only one thing, Jaida, you want to do. You want to read it out. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One more time so that it helps everyone. Keep going.
My grandparents are old. I and Ben are sick. That is my villa. You are a bad pupil. The apples are red.
Super. Yeah, take your time, write it down, Jaida. Jaida, write it down with the numbers, question numbers on it. Because in the audio, when you cut the audio, it is going to be that way. Aaron.
Yes, sir.
Listen to it and we'll go from there, okay? Listen to it, and because you kind of logged on a little bit late, that's okay. Listen to it. Some Srita, you are going to do from 16 to 20, you are going to read, you are going to fill up the gap, you are going to write it.
Okay, sir.
Are you ready?
It dash winter. It is winter.
Keep going.
17. I dash hungry. I am hungry. 18. My school bag dash green. My school bag is green. 19. Rita dash my friend. Rita is my friend. 20. The chair dash brown. The chair is brown.
Very nice. Some Srita, 16 to 20, read it once with the answers plugged in.
Okay, sir. 16. It is winter. 17. I am hungry. 18. My school bag is green. 19. Rita is my friend. 20. The chair is brown.
Beautiful, Samsrita. Very nice. Good job. Good job. So everyone takes a few seconds to write it. I'm going to say this. It. Look at that. It. It's a he, she. It is winter. I am hungry. My school bag eat. See, it represents it. My school bag is green. Rita, she. It tells about she. She is like that. She is my friend. Rita is my friend. Since Rita is she is my friend. Rita is my friend. Everyone listen. The chair is brown. The chair is it. It represents it. The chair is brown. Super. And good job, Samrita. Very good job. Super. Now, so it can get tough when we move to other worksheets, but this is a basic worksheet. You should not make it wrong. Sushant, 16 to 20. Go for it.
Sir,
16 to 20.
it is winter. I am hungry. My school bag is green. Rita is my friend. The chair is brown.
Now, 21 to 25 again, Sushant. 21 to 25. Go for it.
It is late. Monkeys are funny. Dana and I are teachers. The sky is full of stars. Sarah and I are happy.
Super, Sushant. Good job. Super. See how he cleverly said Jan and I, Shara and I. Super. More than one person. Right? Now, one more time, 21 to 25 alone. One more time, Sushant.
It is late. Monkeys are funny. Dana and I are teachers. The sky is full of stars. Sarah and I are happy.
Super. Super job. 21. Everyone write it down till 25. You should have it on there on your notebook. You have to write down with the answer because it's very important. Don't be idle. You have to write it down because you have to get.
We should write also the question.
No. You have to write only with the answer. That's all. You have to write like this. It is late. Monkeys, plural. Look at that. Monkeys represents they. Monkeys, because it's more than one monkey, right? Monkeys are funny. Donna and I, two persons, are teachers, right? The sky is, there is only one sky. The sky is full of stars. Sarah and I are happy. Look at that. Are happy, right? Now, you have to write a very good question. Samsrita asked.
Done, sir.
Write the question. No, you simply write the answer with the entire sentence, which is going to be, it's late, monkeys are funny, Dana and I are teachers, the sky is full of stars, Sarah and I are happy. Aaron is going to do the next 5, but let's give Sushant few seconds to complete it because he was speaking.
Sir, 25 to 30.
No, 26 to 30. 26 to 30.
The summer dash hot. The summer is hot. Tommy and Rina dash pupils. Tommy and Rina is pupil.
Oh, Aaron, read it out again.
Tommy and Rina are pupils.
Yes, Tammy and Rina, two persons. So it is going to be you two persons. Very good. They. So Tammy and Rina are very good job, Aaron. Keep going.
My jacket is blue and pink. They dash not at home now. They are not at home now. The weather dash rainy today. The weather is rainy today.
Super. Once again, Aaron. Again, 26 to 30, read only with the answers.
Yes, sir. The summer is hot. Tammy and Rina are pupils. My jacket is blue and
pink. They are not at home now. The weather is rainy today.
Let's
She
stop. Let's stop there.
is
The weather is rainy today. Very nicely done, Aaron. It's simple mistake at Tammy and Rana, but you recouped. You did well. Good job. Write it down. Write it down, Aaron. Put the question number and straight away write the answer. You want to say like this: the summer is hot. Tammy and Reno are peoples. My jacket is blue and pink. They are not at home now. Super. And also the last one is the weather is rainy today. Good job. Good job there. All right. Neha is going to handle the next one. Nega, you need to switch on the video and you have to say this. But let's give a few seconds for them to write because they have to write. Yes, Nega, wait for a few seconds. All right. All right. You want to do 31. You want to do from 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35.
Okay. She is heating up the trail.
No, you want to say this way. Nega, read it again, 31.
She is hiking up the trail.
You want to say hiking, okay? She is hiking up the trail. Your answer is correct. Your pronunciation of the word is important, hiking. She is hiking up the trail. She's going up the trail. She's going by walk. She's hiking up the trail. But good job, Nega. Keep going. 32.
32. We are walking to movies tonight.
Very good. Go ahead.
They are jogging around the block. I am creating a new website today. She is passing the materials.
No, stop. Nega is going to read it out from 31 to 35 again.
She 31 to 35, sir.
Yes, the same thing. You have to read it out again with the answers.
She is hiking up the trail.
No, she is hiking up the trail. Look at that. She is hiking. Can you read it again?
Okay, sir. She is hiking up the trail. We are walking to the movies tonight. They are jogging around the block. I am creating a website today. She is passing the materials.
Write it down now. Nega, write down 31 to 35. Look at everyone. Look at this. She is hiking up the trail. Because she is coming, it is going to be is. We are walking to the movies tonight. So you have to pronounce it right. Very important. That's why I am asking every one of you to read it. They are jogging around the block. I am creating a new website today. I am creating a new website today. Look at that. She is hiking up the trail. We are walking to the movies tonight. They are jogging around the block. I am creating a new website today. She is passing the materials. So important to pronounce it right. Grammatically, you should sound it right. Right? The is, are, am. Sometimes it can be difficult. Okay. All right. Now.
Can I try the next?
Sure, definitely you can try. Just wait for a second for everyone to quickly write it down. Writing, reading, listening, speaking, everything is important. And you keep doing everything because sometimes you might think like this word could be pronounced like this. No, it has to be pronounced in a